Okay, so let's start with a new topic today. Chapter 4, that is time series. Okay, now what is time series? Time series is a sequence or series of measurement taking at uniform intervals of time. Okay, it can measure weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Okay, the purpose of studying time series is to identify the fluctuation due to the seasonal factors. So time series is to forecast or predict, okay, what will be happen next. Okay, so what is time series analysis? So it is an analysis of the pattern generated by the past data and projecting this pattern into the future. For forecast, as I said, it predicts something in future, okay, or what will be the things come next. Okay, a detailed analysis involve decomposing the components of a time series. Okay, so there are four components of time series. Okay, so there will be the trend or circular trend, then your circular, seasonal, and irregular. Now, when the time apart from remember these four items, okay, or the four components, you also need to know each of the components, duration, movement, is it predictable or not predictable? So at least you remember one example. Is that okay? So let us proceed. Okay, now, okay, so this session, okay, they will have two kinds of questions coming in. Either they ask you to explain, okay, they may ask you to state, okay, at the same time, it can drop under true and false question. Okay, so if the question asks you to explain or to give the definition or explanation, so this will be how you're supposed to get it in. Okay, now for example, trend. Okay, so trend is in long term. That is okay. So I repeat again. So trend is in long term. That is more than 10 years. Okay, so full stop. Or you can even start with. Okay, so I may start with trend or circular trend. The duration is in long term, that is more than 10 years. The movement will be either increase or decrease, or you can say it will be in terms of upward or downward pattern. Okay, so it is predictable. That's why I put a tick here. Okay, for example, cost of living. Full stop. So 2 marks already. Okay, cyclical. Cyclical is in short term, that is within 10 years. The movement will be rise and fall. Okay, so then continue with it is unpredictable. So give one example, economic recession. Or if you can't remember the word recession, then you can have economic crisis as well. Okay, so the third one, seasonal. Okay, so the duration will be in short term, either daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Okay, now class, do you realize I put a dash here? Dash here means that you no need to mention. Is okay? You straight to it is predictable. For example, selling umbrella during raining season. Okay? So here seasonal here, it doesn't mean that it must be season. Like for example, it must be summer or winter or, or autumn or what, okay? So it should not refers to the seasons, the 4 seasons involved, okay? The seasons here means that it can be like nowadays the Hari Raya celebration, right? So or even like school holiday or maybe during the open semester. It can also as a season because this kind of period of time is so-called fixed, right? So this uh, is under seasonal as well. Okay, okay, irregular. Okay, irregular. Okay, it is happen in sudden, erratic, or drastically happen. it is unpredictable. For example, tsunami in Aceh or earthquake in Japan. So usually, it will be the nature disaster, or like now the MCO, right, happened, okay, because of COVID-19. So this is one of the irregular situation as well, because it happened in sudden. Okay. Okay, so I already highlight some others examples as well. Okay, you may go through it. You see, irregular, you see, traffic jam occur in UiTM Samarkand campus during the first day of semester intake. Because this is it shouldn't be happen during the opening day, right? But it happened in sudden for the traffic jam and so on. So this is an irregular situation as well. Is it okay? So you can see I also highlight here. The selling of cold drinks during hot weather under seasonal. So increase in school uniform, shoes, and school bags after year-end holiday. Is that okay? So that's basically on the introduction and the four components.